are you doing? No! What the fuck was that? What the actual fuck? What the fuck, dude?
Buy and sell on eBay, and now with the coronavirus pandemic, I'm using them even more. I'm still heading out to shop in the store. I'm trying to only do that when I need to, and I'm still, when I am, squirrely about punching in PIN numbers and using pens.
Oh my God!
Now, I do a fair amount of my shopping.
That's not you. No.
Toward Warrington Street.
No, can't do that. Yo, dude! What the fuck?
Head west on Stewart Street.
You'll find irresistible for another reason. It improves oral health by delivering the wow of a professional clean feel at home every single day. This year, give the gift of wow. The Oral-B IO. Oral-B, fresh like a pro.
Hollow Creek, you ain't never had a friend like me. Never had a friend like me. In it to the end like me. No matter what the end might be. Y'all know me. I hit hard like a Hollow Creek. The door where my enemy knocks. They're gonna be checking me. They're gonna be in the penalty box. Looking a bit like a hockey player with a mess of a nail. And I'll be clicking the button for the Discovery Channel until I'm kicking the bucket. So get my blood. I'm an animal. And I care more hump than a color of camel.
That was good. Okay, but remember last year when you were on the road?
In 1,000 feet, turn left onto Chestnut Avenue.
Because I don't want to go and get small food.
Yep. Vroom right the fuck over. Oh! Jesus fuck, man! What?
Wait, family. Oh, neat.
Whoa!
What just happened?
This guy almost drove into the side of that guy.
You're an asshole.
Based on things like violent crimes and shooting, St. Louis
Okay.
is the most simple. Jealousy. They base this on things like fraud and identity theft. Fort Lauderdale
Jesus.
comes out on top. Gluttony.
I do want to go there. I know that.
Oh, they're just scooting over to the next place. That's why.
Continue for half a mile.
Oh my God.
It would have taken him 42 seconds to
Like I
figure
told him
it
they
out.
were chocolate chip cookies, but they really had raisins in them.
She was really she was really happy with that too until I think our reaction to it.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. To get me, you have to. Why are you driving 3 goddamn miles an hour? That doesn't make an excuse. Why did I go to Malden?
Oh my God.
Jesus fuck, man. Are you alive? He refuses to go over 22 miles an hour. There he goes. Oh God. But if this is just okay.
In 1,000 feet, turn right onto Beacon Street.
What's fucking happening? Dude, oh my God. What's happening? Woo!
1,000 feet, turn right onto Day Street.
Okay.
All over the States, I've been all over the place with the same look on my face.
I was born mid. I started out in
what
Denver.
is wrong with your car?
1996. First day of September, I was.
What the hell? Ooh, that's a hole. Oh, do we have someone? Do we have a victim? No! Oh! Oh my God, no!